Hi, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to cook paksiw na tilapia. So I have two big tilapia and cut it into 8 pieces. And these are the ingredients. We have ginger, garlic, red bell pepper, and onion. I also have two green big chilies and scallions cut into strips. So I'll start, put all the fish in the pan, add all ingredients like garlic, ginger, onion, green chili, and I'm going to add a decent amount of white vinegar. I also add a bit of notes of like less than half a cup. One teaspoon of salt. And pepper. It's supposed to be like that brown pepper, but we don't have it. So obviously brown black pepper. So I'm going to put them on lemon. Okay, after 5 minutes, it's boiling. It's very quick. Smells vinegary. So I'm having a break of curries. So this is a Filipino food. Just leave it to boil more and let's dry the vinegar. So I add the bell pepper in the end. Then we'll just cover it again. So let's see, after 3 minutes. Ta-da! It's almost ready. To cook paksiw, this is very quick. It doesn't take long. So I add the scallions. It looks so yummy and colorful. Finally, marunong na akong magpaksiw. Then cover it and turn the flame off, and it's ready. And now this is my Paksiw tilapia. Thanks for watching, guys, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell below for more videos. Thank you so much for watching.